Okay, so you're ready to go with Tubebuddy, and here is the screen you will get to if you've installed the Chrome extension, and it's all linked up to your YouTube channel. And the first few videos, we're going to just deal with Tubebuddy and what you can do within YouTube. Here is a video that I've just uploaded. It's actually my little introduction to the Tubebuddy playlist, but it'll work for what I want to show you. I actually make the video unlisted or private. It doesn't matter. I'll make this one private and save it. Obviously, I'm going to make it public later so everybody can see. And the reason I do that is that you need to have done that to make it unlisted or private so that you can use my favorite Tubebuddy tool, which is add chapters. And over the time I've been on YouTube, this has saved me countless hours. Click on add chapters. It brings up the video. So software I use every single day might be lucky enough to get its own playlist. So here is my video. Now, this is not a great video for this because it's a very short video, but I will just show you that the first chapter is always called introduction. Just always leave your video chapter as introduction, and then I can simply just click through the video. So obviously I want to get to the bit where I can see jump into Tubebuddy, and I will, for example, just click the plus, and I will call that chapter Tube. I'll call that chapter Tubebuddy within YouTube. And then I'll click play a bit more. Loaded here, and you can see all over the place. Being is Buddy. I play this. Going to fast forward. You can easily save so much time. Brilliant tag. So then I can go. This is the bit where I do the. So I just click plus again. This is how simple it is, and I put Tubebuddy tags, which are great, by the way. That's coming up in this video. Keep on watching. We'll do that in this video. Creator for your tags for YouTube, and then some actually days for free. We'll see your channel grow. And I'll get to the end there, and I will type maybe on this time, once it's, like say I've been reviewing software, and I get to the end and I go, my final Tubebuddy thoughts. And I just click add there, all right. And once I've done that, honestly, what I used to do it where I typed them all in my YouTube description. So I've gone through. So whatever your video is about, put it into chapters. The reason being that people get bored, or they might not find all of your video relevant. So you put the chapters in so people can fast forward to the bit they want. That's all you do. You do it, and then you can either copy it to the clipboard, or you can do both, and then click add to video. And you can see there, it's not rocket science, but it is pasted automatically into the description of the video. My chapters there. Correctly formatted, because do you know what I did when I first set up on YouTube? I put all the timings in with a dot rather than a colon. And I had to go back through them all and change them. It took me absolutely hours. So that's what it does, but it's a really handy feature. Okay, next feature we're going to show you in this, what I do to every single video, is create a thumbnail. Now, I don't use Tubebuddy for this all of the time, but I am just going to show you that you can do this. I do make a lot of my thumbnails. So software I use every single day might be. So I pause the video. This is how you make a thumbnail very quickly within Tubebuddy. Adjust the frames, one frame at a time. This is just an example. When you're happy with your frame, which I'm not really, you click continue, and then you can add shapes to it, move them about, change the shading and everything. You can add a frame to your video if you wanted. There are different frames there. Don't know if that's your thing. You can add text to your video. Bad thumbnail. And then obviously resize that text. And if you wanted to add some more text, you could do. Hello. I'm just showing you just very quickly here. And that's another layer you see. So these are different layers. You get the idea, don't you? You could add a picture in this. You could here we go. Add my fill review software. So I'm just trying to give you the idea here. And you could have, if you did have any saved templates, you could import them. So you might have one master template for all your videos, which includes your actual Tubebuddy, your YouTube video. And you could spend a lot more time than me. And then when you're happy with it, you can press continue. There is your preview. I know it's not great. And if you click save and publish, there you go. Are you sure you want it? I'm going to publish it, don't worry. I'll change it later. Your Tubebuddy thumbnail is automatically published to your channel. Right, so that's the second thing you do. It's up to you whether you do that within. It's there as well, isn't it? I hope I can get rid of it in a minute. And the last thing I'm going to show you is the tag tools. Okay, so you get your normal tag tools and you get your Tubebuddy tag tools, and they just seem to work much better. So what do I want to appear for this tag? I want to appear Tubebuddy. And it will probably give me quite a few more. Of course it will. Tubebuddy tutorial, Tubebuddy versus Tubebuddy review, Tubebuddy full tutorial, and you just simply click and add on the selections. As well as that, it's very good. So once you've added I'm just going to add a few of these just to show you. You need to be doing this on all of your videos. Here we go. Add your tags in. Get them all up there. Once you've added your tags in, the tag tools is very useful because it does things that you can't do normally within YouTube, and that is you can sort your tags. You can't actually do this in YouTube. So if you want to move your tags about, you can drag them into the right order or auto sort. So once you put tags in there that have actually got a score that Tubebuddy scored for their SEO, you can auto sort them in the best order. And when you're happy with that, you click add and close, and it added all of those keywords. All right. And they are the three things you should be using Tubebuddy for on every single video you upload. Add your chapters, and remember that you do that by making the video private first. If you're going to use Tubebuddy for your thumbnail, create it there by pressing the button, and then use the recommended tags and the tag tools within Tubebuddy to create your tags. There's lots more you can do, and the next video coming soon.